I tried the weirdest cake hack on the internet, and now I can't stop making it. Guys, we are taking ice cream. This is a 2-ingredient cake. I was like, what? Now, I've actually had this recipe on my website for almost 30 years now. It's been 20, I don't know, probably 27, 28 years on my website, probably 27 years. Okay, so you're gonna take some soft ice cream. Now, you need it to be really, really soft. This is probably not soft enough. So I'm gonna nuke mine in the microwave for just a little bit. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. Now, if you wanted to use like cherry chip ice cream, ooh, that would be really good. Or moose tracks or anything like that. Oh man, that would be so delicious. I don't know. Comment, guys, and let me know if you want me to test all of those. Okay, this is very soft. Take my cake mix. Pour it in my bowl. Just get some of the, make sure that all the ice cream is really, really soft. All right, so I got my cake mix and my, oops, oh dear, I slopped it all over. Okay, so I got my cake mix and my ice cream in here. I don't know, comment, guys, if you want me to test different ice creams. I mean, I don't know, what would you test? Vanilla with pistachio ice cream. You could do moose tracks. I don't eat ice cream very much because I'm dairy free, but my family does. So they would be happy to try this. Let me know what flavor combinations you want me to try if you want me to try it. Okay. You could use a mixer if you want, but if you don't want to, you can just, and you got little, see the little lumps? Just take your spoon and just push it. Just like that, if you get a lump. All right, I'm going to spray my pan. Now, you don't have to do this stuff if you don't want to, but I want mine to be all prettified, so I am going to make a parchment liner bottom. Okay, I'm going to divide it between my two cake pans. Should we do something else? Okay, spread it all in our pan here. All right, I'm gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. All right, here's my cake. Woo. Okay, it's still really warm. But I have another cake I was making, and I kind of need my pans. So put that there. And here's the other one. Woohoo. I set these off to the side and let them cool first. And then we'll be back and frost it. Oh no, my cake's stuck together. Oops, oh dear. That was not the best idea. Okay. We'll get this done. Okie dokie. Let me see. Oh, today we'll get out the big guns, shall we? Now, the way to frost a cake without tearing it is to just go from the center and always keep your spatula on the frosting. Just keep the frosting moving. Just keep it moving. Okay. Then I'm going to put it on top. Oh, yum. There we go. Okay. And we're gonna taste test. All right. There we go. Do I cut the whole way through, I guess?
That half is mine, that half is yours.
Yep. Oops. Oh,
Hello.
okay, Mr. Sicko. There you go.
Actually, you're not feeding it to me off the knife, are you?
Sure, why not? We'll have some. Oops, is the
You want me
knife
to
stuck?
cut myself?
I didn't know
She's
this.
gonna say he bit the knife. I didn't kill him. Mmm.
2 ingredient, 3 if you add frosting.
And since I'm sick, I have to eat the whole slice because nobody else can have the rest.
I'm sure. Okay, Jack has a friend over.
Yo.
Okay, taste test. What do you think of 2 ingredient cake?
Chocolate cake.
Is it delicious? Is it a
Oh, it's
10 out of
good.
10?
Man, I definitely didn't have a whole piece just now.
All right, Carson, 10 out of 10?
I will give it a 2 ingredient out of 10. Huh?
Well, since this is his second piece, I think he's going to
I think because of that, I think it could be safely said I like the cake. I do really like it.
Yay!